Hello, handsome gentlemen and beautiful ladies, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a very special fragrance, a Tom Ford fragrance. And not just a normal Tom Ford, a private blend collection fragrance. And this one is leathery. So you may have guessed it already. Today, we're going to be reviewing Tuscan Leather by Tom Ford. So now let's unbox it. So this fragrance is very similar to another Tom Ford fragrance, which is Ombre Leather. And yes, they both have leather in their name, but they smell similar yet very different. So now here's the presentation. Very sleek and beautiful not yet, package. And here is the bottle. It's very beautiful, very basic, but it's beautiful. I like the brownish black and gold accents. It's a beautiful combo. But now let's talk about the fragrance. This is very expensive because it's a private blend. It ranges between like $200 $400. But now let's spray it. Okay, I'm not gonna spray here. I have Office for Men. Here, nothing. So let's spray. Atomizer check. Oh yeah. I can already smell this powerful and beautiful scent. It's so leathery. It's leathery, a little bit floral and sweet. Yes, it is sweet because there is a raspberry note and I like it very much. That's why I prefer Tuscan leather over ombre leather, because this one is a bit sweet, not a bit sweet, not very sweet either, but it's sweeter than ombre leather, and ombre leather is more floral. So yeah, between floral and sweetness, I'm a sweet, no, not a sweet guy, but I prefer sweetness in my fragrances, and this one has it. And the sweetness of the okay, we're not gonna talk about the dry down right now. We're gonna talk about the top notes. So off the top for Tuscan leather, we have raspberry, saffron, and thyme. Middle notes, we have olibanum and jasmine, which is also included in ombre leather, the jasmine, which plays a big role into the floral aspect of that fragrance. And in the base for this one, we have leather, suede, woody notes, and amber. So the base, leather and suede. Interesting combo. So it's not only leather, it's also suede. So you have more of an animalic vibe to it, because not only you have leather, which is a very animalic note, you also have suede on top of that. So that combo, and the suede is like a leather note, but it's softer, okay? Really soft and subtle. But leather is like, I'm here, motherfucker. I'm here to brawl. I mean, you can smell the masculinity come out, and it's just beautiful combo. So off the top, it's gonna smell not fresh at all, okay? I was gonna say fresh, but no, that's a lie. It smells, well, off the top you can already smell the base notes, which is leather and suede. Yeah, off the top, boom, leather. Then you have a little dose of sweetness from that raspberry, and that raspberry is just not sweet, just sweet. It's sweet and it has like an aroma feel to it. It's not just sweet like an, let's say, vanilla or apple. No, it has something behind it. I don't know how to explain that, but it has a unique sweetness. And this raspberry note, I can compare it to Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade, which also have a raspberry note, and it is similar. So they don't smell alike, but they have a similar vibe with the raspberry, which is a very unique and beautiful note. So like I said, that raspberry note is very unique because it is not only sweet, but it has similarities to rose. So it's a sweet and floral note. Not too floral, but the mix between those two, that's why I like raspberry so much, because it can literally like mix sweetness and floral notes into one note, which is raspberry, and not like any other floral notes. It's rose, and rose is very beautifully a very beautiful note to be blended in a fragrance. And mixed with leather, it may seem a little bit odd and weird because you're mixing fruits with leather and suede. Like, what is happening? But actually, when you take opposite things and mix them together, like white and black, literally two opposite poles, but when you mix them together, it creates something like very mysterious but yet intriguing and elegant. And that's how I can describe Tuscan leather. So it is not only just a leather fragrance, it is a blend of leather and other notes that are interesting and not really familiar or used in leather fragrances. Well, not in my opinion. I know there's a lot of fragrances that can use fruits with leather, but this is done so well. It's really well blended. You have that heavy dose of leather, but yet you have a soft touch of sweetness coming from not only the raspberry, you have olibanum too, and amber, which comes off in the dry down and really makes this scent even more sweeter. So this scent is not too sweet. It is sweeter than other leather fragrances, but it is not too sweet. So if you're a guy or girl, because this can be unisex leather. It's mostly manly, but a girl with a lot of confidence and a boss or CEO can wear this, guys, trust me, because of that sweetness and a little bit of floral to it. A girl can definitely wear this, but I see it on a guy. How I see it: big arms, not just me, what I'm saying, but big arms, confident attitude. He knows how to speak, he knows how to dress, he knows a lot of things. He is manly, he is confident, he is how do you say this? He has character, he is very masculine, he is, what is it called, bro? Charismatic, but he has a soft spot. And that soft spot is where he is professional, and he can be very masculine, but he can also be very gentle, just like a gentleman. So yeah, that's the perfect fragrance for a guy like that, a very boss type, very CEO, but can also be gentle from time to time in the appropriate times. So this, you can wear it in fall, winter, during nights. Okay, this is a perfect date night fragrance, especially if you have a leather jacket or you have a motorcycle. Bro, wear this, wear a leather jacket and ride a motorcycle, go on your date. I will tell you, the person with you is going to fall upon your knees, because this fragrance has some magical things going on. It is so strong and sweet, and it's just very unique. You don't smell a lot of fragrances like this. This scent profile is very unique, but this scent profile resembles a lot to Ombre Leather by the same fragrance house. But to be honest, Ombre Leather smells a bit too much leather for my taste, even though I really like it. But between ombre leather and Tuscan leather, this is more unique because it has some sweetness to it. It's not just leather with some floral notes to like balance it up. This is well balanced already. Yeah, the first time I sprayed it, this lasted easily 10 hours, if not more, because I went to sleep afterwards. So I woke up and I could still pick up a little bit, but yeah, 10 hours easily. 10 hours easily. Now, does it project? As you may know, when you have strong notes like vanilla, spices, cinnamon, they tend to last longer on skin and project more. And since you have leather, suede, amber, well, you expect this to last long. It does, and project also, and it also checks that mark. This projects not like a monster, like a beast, but it projects very strong. So it's not an intimate like date night, like Dolce Gabbana, the one EDP or EDT. It's not like intimate. Someone has to really hug me or be close to me to smell me. This someone like 6 feet away could still smell me. It is strong. So the performance on this is very good, and I hope so for the price you're paying. I hope the performance is at its level, and it is, thankfully. So this, not only it smells good, not only it smells masculine, it also performs like a beast. So you're going to be literally a masculine beast. And I like the description of it, and if you do like the description of how it sounds, then I am 100% sure you will like Tuscan Leather by Tom Ford. And Tom Ford, when it comes to fragrances, he doesn't mess around. Even though the price, you know, he can play a little bit less, but this, very good juice. So this fragrance is perfect for special occasions, special events. You're going to a black tie, you're going to a marriage, you're going to attend something very unique, very special. This is a perfect special occasion fragrance. It's gonna leave a good impression, and this fragrance is perfect for that. So fall, winter, during the night, special occasions, performance, you're covered. Scent wise, if you like how I described it to you, a manly man, CEO, boss, beast, but he has a soft spot because of that sweetness, then this is perfect for you. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.